Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. CRVO is the only unicorn that doing all right in the pre-market at the moment. We discussed this stock yesterday for our hunters here. CRVO broke the 646 and now it is around the 837, hitting the first profit taken right now in the pre-market. Let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. Good morning, everybody. George, brother, welcome. Thank you for reminding everybody to hit the like button on the way in. Lizzie, Emis, Norma, Bud Monster, John, Jason, everybody. Good morning. So as we said, the CRVO is the only one that doing pretty good at the moment. We might have another pump for it. For now, we've got only this one, guys. CRVO, IPA or IPA. Yes, it didn't. It pulled back pretty good here. So this one is a bit weak. So I'm gonna take it from the list. Watch out, this one not good for now. I don't like it. We got SPRC is pulling back. It could be good for later as well. Yeah, SPRC, guys, is kind of testing an interesting support at the moment. We have to adjust the levels. Yeah, we got the supports to hold at the market open here for SPGC, yes, over the 16. So watch out, guys. SPGC is pulling back at the moment. It could be good for later at the market open for reversal. If we hold the 1680, would be really great for a reversal for SPGC. So we'll keep watching this one for a reversal now. If it happened, could be a really good entry. Yeah, SPGC, guys, looking great right now for a reversal. So we only have two unicorn for today to watch. Only two. CCLD. Yeah, jumped right now. Yeah, this one looking interesting. If it held over the $2, yeah, it got levels to test later on. Yeah, this one could be good for later. Yeah, so the only one that look good right now is SRVO, guys. We discussed this one earlier on our pre-market live streaming here. And we said 830 is the profit taking. We hit kind of the profit taking right now. That's why we're pulling back. So I'm gonna adjust the resistance here. And the support at the moment for this one is around the 709. Yeah, this one could be good at the market open, guys, if we held the first support. So SRVO is number one. After that, we have SPGC. Two unicorn, guys. And CCLD could be good for later if it held at $2. But for now, we only have two stops. INTC, Intel, what's going on? 4% yesterday, 13%. Now, this is a majestic reversal, guys, for Intel. Thank you, brother, for let us know about Intel. New CEO for Intel, nice. That's why jumping, guys. Huge recovery news for Intel. It's going toward the 25 again. Hallelujah. Yeah, Intel started to reverse, guys, again before the earnings, of course, in April. This is, could be it, guys, for Intel to switch from this huge pullback. I'm gonna lower the support here. So yeah, Intel looking great, guys. Yeah, 13% is not normal, guys. This is not normal at all. Is perfect reaction. For now, CRVO is the one to watch, guys. CRVO was the best trade for us for today. We have a really good trade for CRVO, guys. If you already entered with us, make sure to take profit right now for CRVO. It did a really good jump in the pre-market. We have some levels again here to hold, and of course there. But yeah, so far so good. We did almost 10% for CRVO for today. So it's not bad. And now it's still holding a new support over the $7.10. The other one, SPGC, guys, is kind of breaking this ascending channel. So it started to reverse. CRVO, we might have a pullback because we're ready to test our first profit taken. So 9% profit taking should be good to take profit right now, guys. If you already entered with us early on our live streaming, CRVO is time to pick the fruits. Time for the picking the fruits. Yeah, we might have a pullback again. So it's better to take profit here. Yeah, it started to pull back. Anyway, SPGC, guys, is the one to watch at the moment. It could be really good. Okay, CRVO is pulling back. SPGC pulling back from this ascending channel. It's still looking great. CCLD still holding. Intel, we have a new CEO, guys, for Intel. Let's see here. Yeah, new CEO for Intel. Intel named Lip Bu Tan. I think he's Chinese guy. A former chief executive of system CEO, share of struggling semiconductor company jumped 12%. Let's see, let pop. This guy is, I think he's Asian. Yeah, he's Asian, of course. He's American businessman, and I think he's born in Malaysia. Yeah, so he's Asian. He looked like the guy from Alibaba. Interesting. So, Intel doing all right. Some of you asking about SMCI. SMCI is still neutral in the pre-markets. It's still holding the $40, so it's still looking all right. Tesla, Nvidia, Coinbase, nothing much happening in the pre-market. So we have a bit of anticipation from yesterday reversal, guys. The market is in anticipation mode. The only one that did really great in the pre-market is CRVO. Broke the resistance around the 730 and went toward the 830. It was good play for our hunters. We already traded early here on our live streaming, guys. If you're wondering about this play, it was really great in the pre-market. We discuss CRVO, I think. Yes, here. Yeah, as you can see here, CRVO had the 745 as a resistance. And we said the 837 is the current profit taking. So we spotted this breakout, guys, before the market opened, and we put again support there around the 680. It was really great play, guys, for CRVO before the market opened on our live streaming that we did on our Discord. So every time, guys, that's why we do early live streaming on our Discord and BitShow for this kind of scenarios, because sometimes we have early jump. So it's better to be ready for them. So if you want to have access to early live streaming, the link in the live chat section is just put it there. Oh, good example. Good example, DH, about BlackBerry. This is a big thing going on right now for Intel, guys. Intel, it is struggling right now. It is struggling. I don't know if this CEO guy will manage to do unsafe Intel. BlackBerry is the same. Continue to go down even with the new CEO. If you see in the big picture, yeah, it went down to all-time low. And now started to reverse a bit, BlackBerry, almost 100%. But it's technically went down from, yeah, went down from 140. For Intel, it went down from the 75. But still, not down. And you can see here around 3 cents. I think we did reverse split or split. Did we did any split for Intel? Let me ask ChatGTP. Did INTC did split INTC stock? Okay, so they did in 2000, 2 to 1, April 2 to 1 in 1900, 1980, 2 to 1. So the last split they did on 2000, and now it's 2. The split have significantly increased the number of shares outstanding for the years. For instance, the original investment of 100 shares before the first split will have grown to 192 shares today. So, if, okay, give me the price without all that splits. Let's see Usually how much, no, if we take all the splits. Effective the splits, the stock price in 2000. Yeah, so if we factor out those all the splits, not reverse splits, Intel should be around the 2000, not $2, $20. But yeah, interesting. Yeah, CCLD is a new one. Yeah, is below the resistance still, the 258. We got support for it around the $2, brother. CRVO still nothing. This one still holding. CCLBD, Intel jumped. As a reminder, guys, Intel have a new CEO who tried to recover the stock from the dip. Right now, it's jumping 14% in the pre-markets. CCLD had earnings, and yeah, had huge earnings. I think Thursday pre-market today. Wow, good earnings, guys. The estimate was a negative, now is neutral and positive. So this is a huge, huge, because last time we have negative earnings. This is the first time we have positive earnings, guys, for CCLD. So this is a huge, by far, huge thing for CCLD. Neo, nothing much happening right now. Yesterday we pulled back. Now is holding over the 496. Today, if we continue the pump down, we should hold the 470, but it's not looking good right now in pre-market. Palantir, 5 contracts in one day, but price is still not going anywhere. Good, good point here. Palantir is just waiting for the market open. Waiting for the market open. We have a good dip already. So wait for making the short cover around the 85. This is will be a turning point for Palantir for today. SPGC guys looking all right for today for our recovery here. CRVO, as we said, guys, this one already hit our target profit early in the pre-markets. We discussed the breakout around the 745, and the breakout happened just before our live streaming here on YouTube. So the entry was on our discourse before the breakout, and now it's pulling back because we already hit the resistance. So CRBO was a really good play for today. Okay, we got a few minutes left, guys. Few minutes left at the market open. Let us go for our disclaimer. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left at the market open. Guys, remember our live streaming is a bit delayed. We're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And remember, we always go live every day. So bring your dog and your cats and join our live streaming for today, guys. Don't forget to hit the like. We need 50 likes before the market open. Let us make it happen. Let's go. Clay said time to short CRVO. Yes, so we'll see. CRVO did a really good jump here, man. Really good jump. Yeah, it would be good for short if we broke the 710. If we held the 710, You're gonna be squeezed toward the $10. CCLD, yeah, this one guys have the first time positive earnings. So this one could be the one to watch for today, guys. Yeah, this one could go toward the 258 and $2.90. Yeah, CCLD could be the one to bet at the market open. We got a little resistance right now that we might break at the market open for CCLD around the 245. If we broke this level, this one could be a huge jump toward the 290. Yeah, 290, this is my target right now. And maybe the first one, 263. This is for CCLD, guys. We might have the 263 just at the market open. INTC, guys, 15% jumping toward the 25 for today. 1 minute left. Come on, guys. What you doing? We need more likes. Hit the like button on the way in. Again, we got a few unicorn, guys. The market for the swing trade stocks are a bit slow. Yeah, the market for the swing trade stocks is a bit slow. SMCI, watch out, guys. We need to break the 44.99. This is the level that we have to break. 44.99. This is not coincidence, guys. This is not a coincidence. Last time we have the 39.99, now 44.99. This is the price that we have to break for today. Okay, we got few seconds, guys. Few seconds for the lift off. Let's get right to the point. SMCI is doing all right. Let's get right to it. The market is about to open, and hopefully we have a green day for today. Let us go to CCLD, guys, because this one could be the one to watch for a breakout. And we might get halted for this stock that got earnings if we broke the 245. Yeah, we expect a huge pump up if we pumped for over the 245. SPGC, the same. We expect a reversal here if we held the 16. INTC is pulling back a little bit. You see, we got a little jump here. The same for SPGC. Not bad, guys. Yeah, CCLD pulling back. SPGC is still holding. So the strongest right now is SPGC, guys, jumping up, holding the support 1680. If we broke the 2170, we might get halted up for SPGC toward the 26. So SPGC number one, CCLD number two, INTC, I'm gonna put it with the other swing trade stocks. because it's the only one it is jumping a lot up. Palantir still below the resistance for Tesla, it's pulling back. Yeah, Palantir is a bit strong here. We have a lot of good news for Palantir. So the analyst price target for Palantir, it is around the 94. So over the 80. Yeah, around this level. This is the yearly price target for Palantir. Yeah, SPGC guys looking great. CCLD, yeah, it could be good for buying the dip right now over the $2. SPGC guys is number one right now. SPGC, it is number one. Okay, make sure to take another profit here around the 21, guys, because we might get shorted. CCLD, a really good dip here, guys. If we reverse, will be perfect for a reversal and taking profit around the 230. Yeah, this is a great reversal for CCLD. CRVO is pulling back toward the 710. So SPGC is the only one that looks strong and ready for a squeeze over the 2147. So as you see here, we kind of broke the trend. So that's why we have a little squeeze. Yeah, looking great. SPGC, guys. CCLD could be good for a reversal now. CRVO is a bit weak. CCLD could be good, yeah, for a reversal. Yeah, look at that. As you said, guys, SPGC looking great for a breakout now. For the other stocks, let me see, cryptos, Bitcoin is kind of neutral. The same with the market, guys. Palantir moving nowhere. INTC jumping for a new high. This is really great. We have FOMO, guys, for INTC reversal. We might hit the 2533 for today. If we held here under 5 minutes, yeah, we got another support over the 2330. INTC, not bad for a reversal. CCLD, nice bottom reversal here. So we have SPGC resistance on profit taken around 21. And CCLD, good bottom reversal right now from this level. And this one, yeah, is pulling back now. Seller still there, around 2170. SPX, a really good question. We have SPX and SPY, all of them really important to watch. The SPY, The SPY, yeah, still have room to pull back. Yeah, for SPX, still there's room for a pullback toward the four. Yeah, the best. Yeah, this is too far. We have the 5,400 could be a good dip, and the other dip is here. Yeah, the other dip is here between the, yeah, over the 5,000 will be a great dip over the 5,000. So we have 5,400 and the 5,000 mark, like between the 5,000, 4,900. So it's still there's room for a dip for SPX. S and B500 index looking really great for a dip. What a huge seller, guys. Stopped the party before it started around the 2170. And now it's pulling back around the 1680. CCLD still holding the $2. CRVO holding the support 710. Let us see the other list if we got something. Nothing, nada, not a dime. DWTX, I think it's game over here. Okay, CRVO could be good for a reversal now, around the 710. This one was a disappointed because if we broke this level, we could have a huge green day. Let me just check one thing here. Stock that got halted earlier today. We got SURI. SURI. No good. CCLD broke the support. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down more toward the 180. So yeah, it's not good at the beginning. Now it's not good. If we held over the 2.20, could have been really good at the market open here, but we didn't. CRVO is still trying to hold the support, but still weak. SPGC is back down a lot. So CRVO is the only one might have a reversal. If we don't hold here, it's mean not good as well. We have a big buyer just below the 7. LFWD. What's going on with this one? Whoa, we have one is got halted, I think, for 10 minutes, not 5 minutes. Still halted right now. ICCH, no, no good. LFWD jumping really great. This one, it is good. Look at that. Market open, we got halted twice. Yeah, this one, where's the action is 73%. It hit the target, I think. Yeah, already hit the target. Around the 275. Yeah, LFWD guys is really strong right now. Pretty strong. We got the resistance for it around the 275, $3.30 and 425 could be a target to hit. Yeah, LFW guys, it is the one to watch. The rest of the market is history. You have CRVO and LFW, LFWD. Watch out, LFWD guys, broke the support again, or the resistance. Now I'm gonna adjust the support just right there around the 224. Target 330 right now. SPGC is pulling back some more, is going down more toward the 15. Is not good for now. CCLD, no good for now. So we got CRVO and LFWD, guys. All the energy, all the volume is going toward this stock, LFWD, guys. Aha, we have FDA clearance for Rewalk 7 exoskeleton. Live Word receive FDA approval, guys. This is a huge. This is a huge. The rest of the market is history, guys. This is it. We have to watch this one. Nice, Dexter. Taking time off is good. LFWD looking all right. We have the 224 as a support. Target to hit is the $3.30 right now. And we have the 425. Two targets. And of course, we need to hold now over the 224 if we want to have another jump. Remember, guys, this one have FDA clearance right now. That's why the price is continue to jump right now. Neo is not good for today, man. Sleeping. Neo, it is currently sleeping. We have another pullback right now for the market. Coinbase 4% down. We have another pullback. Intel have a target around 2550. If we held, the only stock that is green at the moment is Intel, guys. The rest of the market is pulling back again. We have a little pullback. The Intel guys, after the new CEO, a lot of investors think that the new CEO will be the savior to for Intel dip. Yeah, the new CEO might be the savior. Look at that. Sea of red, and the only one is green is Intel because of this news. And of course, with LifeW have a clearance from the FDA. So those the only stock that looking great for today, guys. Only two. For the day trade is LFWD, and for the swing trade is Intel. We only have two stocks for today. Only two. Yeah, this one is pulling back a bit. INTC, we need to hold over the 2330, guys, for today. If we want to go toward the 25, which is another 5% up. Life Word. Yeah, this one is pulling back. If we held the 224, we're gonna go toward the 330. Would be a huge jump for today. Even though the market, it is a bit red for today. Yes, a bit red. CRVO is still hugging the support tightly here. It's not decided yet, guys. It's not flushing down. So there's someone buying right around the $7. If we held, we're gonna reverse. If we didn't, we're gonna have a pullback toward the six. Yeah, toward the $6.15. Yeah, I think now we got yeah, we broke the support kind of. Not yet. Yeah, yeah, now officially we kind of broke the support. Might put another support around the 680 just in case. So CRVO, I'm not giving up on it. It's still okay. Live W or live word, still looking all right. As you see here, guys, the top gainers list, we don't have stocks jumping a lot for today. Top losers, of course, we have 80%, 70%. Top, almost 40%. IPP, what's going on with IPP? It's not there. It's not there at all. Okay, we got another lift off is about to happen for LFWD. This stock have FDA clearance. Huge news. INTC, we have a huge news. We got a new CEO for the company. That's why jumping the only the only blue chip company that jumping or is still in green. And this is the only unicorn that is up almost 100%. The rest of the market is not good. So those the only two stocks for the day trade, LFWD. For swing trade is Intel. This one, if we hit the $3.30, would be way great for today before a major pullback. 330 would be great. Nothing much happening here. Let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin going a bit down. As you can see here from the trend, last time we broke this trend, guys. It was beginning of this week. We pulled back. We tried to pump up, but we got a seller here on the 85. And now it's going toward the 72 again. Dogecoin the same. We have a nice recovery from the 14, going toward the 18, going down the same trend for Bitcoin. And SMCI is pulling back a bit. Palantir pulling back. Tesla is about to test a major support. Coinbase is the same. All of them still over the support. But yeah, today will be an interesting day for Coinbase, because if we pull back today, we might have another 10%, 14% will be a nice dip again for Coinbase if we got one. Because now it looks to me it is a bit weaker once we got shorted here around the 200. S got earnings yesterday. Oh my God. What a nice reversal. Look at that, man. This one, we got a question from Knight Rider early. He asked about earnings levels, and we said watch for the $16 support. It was really good trade, because once we break the 16.95, we hit all the profit take in the second, even the 19.19. Look at that. Wow. Nice hunt, man. Nice hunt. So this one was a request from one of our elite members. Ask about S, which had earnings after hours yesterday. And it was good dip to buy. And we spotted the 16 as a bottom. And we said the reversal will start once we break the resistance. So you see, the resistance was around the 16.95. We broke it, the reversal started, and we hit the 1919, which is right now, or right now, as you can see here, we did 13% for this reversal. Nice hunt, my brother, Knight Rider. Great hunt. S, I'm gonna keep it here on the list because I might update the levels later. LFWD, yes, fighting to hold over the 2.24. CRVO, guys, reverse finally from the 680. The new support right now for CRVO that we should hold. LFWD, I think we might get halted here if we broke. If we held, it could be a good reversal here, like what happened for CRVO once it reversed from the 680. Uh, interesting, interesting. You are welcome, Knight Rider. You see, patience, man. Patience is the key here. Patience is the key. Once you buy the dip, you have to wait. So this is a good lesson for you, brother. Yeah, the reversal happened before the market opened, and once the market opened, Yes, it was a pullback time. So yeah, this was a good example for you to wait until we have the breakout and entry and exit very quick here. We hit two profit taken, and now we could adjust the levels again. 1919, of course, it is the resistance right now. I'm gonna adjust the other profit taken if you like later on, brother. SPGC, no good. Is still fighting. Yeah, we might have a pullback here. 21, it was a really good exit. IPA, no good. HMR, reverse. TRNR, nope. Yeah, HMR is moving. Yeah, over my support. Yeah, the 250. It's held our support, the 250. So yeah, it looked really all right here for a reversal. CCLD, I don't like it anymore. So yeah, HMR could be good later. LFWD still holding our support tightly here. Watch out, everybody. Watch out. We might have a little action here. Yeah, LFWD is still holding. Not bad. INTC is pulling back a bit. CRVO holding the support, is still below the resistance. So yeah, we have a bit of quiet markets because once the market open, everything's pulled back. We see that this play, guys, going on in this month. Pre-market, we have action, buyers coming in. Once the market open, the whale just take all the liquidity from the market, and we see drop for the market. Yeah, there's someone, guys, just pulling the liquidity from the market. Is kind of obvious. That's why it's better to trade in a pre-market. Recently is way better. CCLD, if it is good. I took it from the list. Is mean is not good, man. Is mean is not good. CCLD. Yeah, is not good anymore. We have double top around the 244. We had the chance to break at the market open. We didn't. We had the chance second to hold over the 2.20. We didn't. We have another chance to hold over the 180, but we didn't. So no good. I took it from the list because it pumped and dumped. So don't touch it, man. Even if it reverses, not good. I will never suggest buying it. Okay. Watch out for LFWD, guys. It could be good for a reversal here. CRVO still holding. Intel still holding here. LFWD. What a nice reversal, guys. 224 should be a good reversal here. Okay, live W, watch out. CRVO, nice. Yeah, CRVO. But watch out, brother. If we don't, if we hold the 680, this one could be a sign for a reversal right now. Oh man, don't talk about coffee, man. While I'm fasting, don't talk about food. LFWD, as we said, guys, this one have FDA clearance. That's why I jumped at the market open once we got those news. Before the market opened by 30 minutes, yes. And squeezed. Now we're still waiting for confirmed reversal from the 224. If we held here, would be really great for another jump toward the over the $3. INTC still looking good because it's still holding the 2330. This is the only stock in the blue chip company that is in green for today after news of a new CEO. So the investors have a bit of hope for this CEO will make a difference and change everything for Intel right now because it's struggling. Intel is struggling a lot lately. And I think the struggle started on this earnings, man. Beginning of August 2024. This has changed everything. Once Intel declared the earnings, there we went 40% down. Before we have a sign of weakness here, once we have bad revenue in April. So you see, before we have always good revenue. After that, in April, everything went downhill. Before started with bad revenue, 74 million down, then 89 million down with negative earnings, then here 1000% down. This is crazy, man. And here we recovered a bit. So finally we have a little recovery for the revenue and the earnings since 1 year, or almost, yeah, 1 year. So now there's a recoveries coming up for INTC with the new CEO and the earnings and revenue recovering. Before 12, 13, here 14. So yeah, we have 14 billion. There's no deficit, so it's good. So yeah, not bad for a recovery after the negative earnings here. So yeah, we might have a recovery for INTC lately. Lloyd, the SMCI just bounced from the $40. Yeah, kind of a little bounce here from the $40. Yeah, not bad. Still holding the 40. Palantir is pulling back a bit. The same for Tesla. Tesla is dicey right now. It's a bit dicey. Baba is a bit in green. Neo broke the first support. You see, the only one it is in green is INTT and Baba. Neo is down 6%. Nasdaq down, tech going lower, of course. Yeah, you have a bit of red here. Dormieuse lettres attention. This is really funny. Publicity, French publicity. Warn the people who sleep sideways about a problem in your neck. Interesting. So we got yeah, a bit of red for the market here. A bit of red day for the market. A bit of red day for the market, as you can see here. Let's see. Tesla dip. Tesla dip. For now, for Tesla, the dip is still over the 215, but the other dip is the 181.50. If we have unusual seller, and if we broke this support, 181.50 should be the next dip. If we broke the first support, of course. Oh wow. LFWD still holding the 224. Really good reversal here. Not bad. Not bad. Resistance, watch list, and multiple trade management, stop loss, patience. Core discipline later once powerful. Okay, what you mean about car discipline or CAR? So for the patients, I'm gonna give you an example right now about this play. For the patients for this one, we suggest to wait until we have a breakout here on the 17, as we discussed it early here for our elite member for today. You see, you don't have to enter until we break the orange line around the 1695. And this breakout happened before even our live streaming. And once we broke, we did almost 13%. So we have to wait until we break the orange line. Yeah, simple yet it's hard. So this is the first example for patience. Resistance entry, the same for example for S. Resistance entry is like this. Once we have this breakout, you see, we broke, we're still holding over the 17 and the price jump up. So this is good entry for resistant. So resistant and patience. Stop loss use, you can use this as a stop loss. So if you entered for this one around this breakout, your stop loss is here around the $16. So if you entered here and if the stock go down and we have a fake out, you exit around the 1590, just below this red line. So this is what you need to know in order to watch for those stocks. Watch list and multiple trade management. Okay, this is your problem, Dexter. Multi-trade, this is really the worst thing you can do if you want to lose money. Just focus on one stock per time. I see what you do, Dexter. The problem that you do is you focus on mini trade. You do swing trade, day trade, you do three stock at the same time. Five is not good, man. Just focus on one. And I think this is your weakness that make you lose money because you focus on mini trades. And I know just by watching this this word multi-trade, never trade many stocks at the one time. For you at least, once you be professional and you can manage more than one, you just take it two trade, then three trade. Not at the first time you do five, six. This is really too much for you, man. It's like having five dogs and you never own only even one dog. Or if you have one kid, you never have a kid, and one day you you have 10 kids. Come on, start with one kid. Know how to change the diapers and how to grow one kid. If the first kid never die, or the first baby never die on you first, okay, perfect. Have another baby. But for Dexter, he want to have like 10 babies and manage them at the same time. HM nothing, still below the resistant, man. And the support is a bit far, so that's why I don't like it that much. Clay, exactly. It's like dating multiple women. Exactly. For dating women, you can do like you can not date, but just have superficial connections with many women and you meet them just once. You can do that, but you can't date multiple women. It's too much energy, man. You lose a lot of energy, but by focusing on multiple things. For example, if you have like multiple women to date is not good. You don't have the connection. You can't have like strong connection with multiple women. Let alone you can have even multiple connection with good friends. You can have 10 good friends. It's impossible because you need time to talk to them. You need time to see them. You need is get diluted. You can have best friends like 10 best friends. It's impossible. Uh, Even if you have is mean you fake it. Like for a human being, if you want to have like focus and you get all your energy, one, two, three is good, but more than that will dilute it. Your energy will be diluted. You will lose all your trade money dating. Exactly. No over analysis, no overthink. But yeah, I get you, man. Multiple, you can actually Abhi, multiple women dating is easy. No, dating, man, he mean Clay, he mean dating is mean actually putting emotion investing. Okay, it's not dating as one night stand. It's different. One night stand, you don't have any emotion to it. It's kind of superficial. But if you want to date a woman or have a best friend, you have to invest emotion, and you can't have multiple emotion invested. It's too much. Unless you are a serial killer, this is different. If you are a serial killer, if you have a problem with your brain and you can attach and give energy and love to the other person, is mean yeah, you are a serial killer. So this is different story. We're talking about normal human being. Exactly, man. Yeah, everything based on time. Yeah. really based on time. So you waste your time actually for those superficial connection. Now I know, guys, but before I don't know that. Like you want to have fun, you meet a beautiful woman, but the problem is wasting time with the wrong woman or the wrong people. Superficial connection is not worth it, guys. Really not worth it. It's the same with trades and investments. Superficial investing, which is give you 1%, 0%, and downside is big, is waste of time and money, man. Just think about it. Think about the reward. Think about the time invested. So yeah, exactly, man. Clay. But the problem of being serial killer, you can be a really good trader, but the problem is with social dynamic. I think you're gonna lose all your money with the other aspect in your life because you don't have a drive. You don't have, you need a bit of emotion, man. Cold, cold-blooded killer, you can't survive doing it because you need some kind of emotion, love to build anything. So being a serial killer is not that good, guys. It's kind of living in a world in white and black. It's kind of not fun. Yeah, exactly, man. The problem, guys, right now is we have overextended of options. We have too many options. Plus, the people that have too many options, that what make it problem, too many options, is if you don't know what you want. If you don't know what you want and you have many options, game over. You can't decide. You're gonna hop from one station to another. You're gonna hop from one game to another. You can't even finish playing the game because you get bored and you say, "What if I choose the other?" Because you don't know what you want. Too many options is good, but if you don't know what you want, it's game over for you. And this is what we living in right now. Too many options, plus people don't know what they want. Great. Anyway, S still looking all right. LFWD still holding the 224. So yeah, now we have kind of a sideways market, guys. So be careful. Now we got a sideways market. So for now, we have to wrap up our live streaming, guys. Thank you for listening and watching. And of course, remember, we're going to do a major update later on our Discord as usual. Good hunt for S for today for Night Rider. It was a really good dip for today. And of course, remember, guys, tomorrow we're going to go live, of course, on Friday as usual. So tune in early for tomorrow because as you can see, the pre-market is where the action is, where the whale pump the market. Once the market open, everything pulled back. So make sure to come in pretty early with us on Discord. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join early for the watch list and early hunt on our live streaming on Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.